In this video, I'll show you how to remove editing restrictions on Microsoft Word. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So this is the file which I want to unlock for editing, and you can see at the top I am not able to access any function to edit this file. So to unlock this file, what we need to do, just click on the file at the top, click on save as, now click on browse, and now you can just save this file anywhere you want. I'll just save it on this folder, and before we save this file we need to change its type. So for that, just click on save as type and change it to Word XML document. Click on save. Once you save it, just close the Word now, and now it's time to open the notepad. So for that, just go to your search bar and type here notepad, just like this. Open the notepad, and right here we need to drag the file which we have saved recently. So this is the file, so I'll just drag it right here by using my mouse. Close the folder, hit Ctrl F to open this pop-up, and here we need to type enforcement just like this, and make sure to check both of these boxes and just click on find next. Then you will see we got the word, and here we need to change the value from 1 to 0. So this is the value which we need to change. So I'll just select it and type 0. Once you do that, just close this pop-up, click on file, click on save as, and just save the file anywhere you want. Let's suppose I'll save it on the same folder and change its name something as trees unlock. And now here we have to change the type, so just select it and change it on all files. Click on save, close this box now, and now here we need to locate to the folder where we have saved that file. So I have saved that in this folder. You can see the file. I just need to hit right click now, click on open with, and click on Word here, and right here you can see we are now able to edit the file. And the main thing is still remain that we need to save this file as a Word file. So for that, click on file, click on save as, click on browse, and here you can just choose any folder you want. I'll just save it on this folder, and here we need to change the type, so just change it from XML document to Word document. Just click on save, and yeah guys, that's how you can unlock Word document for editing. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.